Hi, hello everyone. Today our topic is Unit 1 Structure and Bonding Models. Structure and Bonding Models. Topic 5 Energy level diagrams of homo and heteronuclear diatomic molecules. Energy level diagrams of homo and heteronuclear diatomic molecules. Homo and heteronuclear diatomic molecules. Okay, first of all, see what is homonuclear diatomic molecules. What is homonuclear diatomic molecules? The two same elements combine together to form homonuclear diatomic molecules. In homonuclear diatomic molecules, we take two same elements. Okay, two same elements combine together to form homonuclear diatomic molecules. In this one, we take example, oxygen is example, O double bond O. Okay, this O double bond O structure is a Lewis dot structure. Lewis dot structure O2. So we can use LCAO molecular orbital theory to get a better structure. LCAO molecular orbital theory to get a better picture for oxygen molecule. Okay, see, this is the energy level diagram. Okay, oxygen molecule energy level diagram. First of all, first diatomic molecule for homonuclear condition, that is nitrogen molecule. Okay, nitrogen molecule also one of the example of homonuclear diatomic molecule. So in this nitrogen element, first we draw the electronic configuration. The electronic configuration of nitrogen atom is 1s2, 2s2, 2p3. The electronic configuration of nitrogen atom is 1s2, 2s2, 2p3. 1s2, 2s2, 2p3. So here 1s is the one of the atomic orbital, 2s is one more atomic orbital, 2p also one more atomic orbital. So we draw the energy order is in increasing order. First we take 1s2. Here in this nitrogen molecule, two nitrogen elements there. So one side we take one nitrogen, another side we take another nitrogen. First of all 1s2. Okay, 1s2 plus 1s2, how many electrons there? 4 electrons. So in these 4 electrons, 2 electrons entering into bonding molecular orbital, that is sigma 1s. Another 2 entering into anti-bonding molecular orbital, that is sigma star 1s. Okay, that is the 1s2 energy level diagram. Let's see the 2s2. 2s2. Both nitrogen elements have 2s2. So 2s2 plus 2s2, that is 2 plus 2, 4 electrons. In these 4 electrons, 2 electrons entering into bonding molecular orbital, that is sigma 2s. Another 2 electrons entering into sigma star 2s, that is anti-bonding molecular orbital. Next 2p3. In this one, 2px, 2py, 2pz have 3 lone pair of electrons. 3 plus 3, how many electrons? 6 electrons there. 6 electrons in nitrogen, 2p orbital level. 3 plus 3, 6 electrons. In this one, from up to nitrogen, okay, up to nitrogen, we follow 2-1-2-1 rule. Up to nitrogen, we follow 2-1-2-1 rule. So, pi 2px, pi 2py. Pi 2px, pi 2py, we consider lower level. Sigma 2pz is the higher level. Next, pi star 2px, pi star 2py. Next, sigma star 2pz. Sigma star 2pz. So, 6 electrons there. In these 6 electrons, 2 electrons entering into pi 2p x, 2 electrons entering into pi 2py. Next, 2 electrons entering into sigma 2pz. This is the electrons distribution in energy level diagram. Next, see the bond order calculation for nitrogen molecule. We already know the formula bond order. Bond order equals to Nb minus Na by 2. Nb minus Na by 2. Where Nb means number of bonding electrons. Na means number of anti-bonding electrons. Anti-bonding electrons. So, how many bonding molecular electrons there in nitrogen molecule? 10. Okay, 10 molecular orbital electron, bonding molecular orbital electron. Anti-bonding molecular electrons are only 4. So 10 minus 4 by 2, that is 6 by 2 equals to 3. So the bond order of nitrogen molecule is 3. The bond order of nitrogen molecule is 3. So nitrogen is a diamagnetic nature. Why this one diamagnetic nature? All are completely filled orbitals. All orbitals are completely filled, either bonding or anti-bonding. There is no any lone pair of electrons. So nitrogen molecule magnetic character is diamagnetic nature. Okay, next see the one more example. Okay, one more example for homonuclear diatomic molecule, that is oxygen. Okay, so in oxygen element, first we draw the electronic configuration. That electronic configuration of oxygen is 1s2, 2s2, 2p4. 1s2, 2s2, 2p4. Up to nitrogen, after nitrogen element, we follow the energy level order is 1 to 2 1 rule. 1 to 2 1 rule. Okay, up to nitrogen 2 1 2 1 rule. After nitrogen 1 to 2 1 rule. So here we draw the oxygen molecule energy level diagram. Here also 2 oxygen elements. 2 oxygen elements. In that first oxygen element have 1s2, second oxygen element also 1s2. So 1s2, 1s2, 2 plus 2, 4 electrons. 2 electrons entering into sigma 1s orbital, 2 electrons entering into sigma star 1s orbital. So 2 plus 2 enough. Next second one, 2s2, 2s2, 2s2 there. 2s2 plus 2s2, 2 plus 2, 4 electrons. 2 electrons entering into sigma 2s bonding molecular orbital, another 2 electrons entering into sigma star 2s anti-bonding molecular orbital. Next 2px, 2py, 2pz. 2px have 2 electrons, 2py 1 electron, 2pz 1 electron. Total electrons are 8 electrons. In these 8 electrons, first 2 electrons entering into sigma 2pz, next 2 electrons entering into pi 2px, next 2 electrons entering into pi 2py, 6 enough. Next 2 more electrons there. These 2 more electrons entering into anti-bonding molecular orbital, that is pi star 2px, pi star 2py. Okay, this is after nitrogen element we follow 1 to 2 1 rule. This is the energy level diagram. In this we calculate bond order. What is bond order formula? Number of bonding molecular orbital minus number of anti-bonding orbitals by 2. So number of bonding molecular orbital electrons are 10, anti-bonding molecular electrons are 6 by 2. So 10 minus 6 by 2 equals to 4 by 2 equals to 2. So our bond order equals to 2. Our bond order is 2. So that magnetic character, what is our magnetic character? Paramagnetic character. Why? Because what is the reason? In oxygen energy level diagram, okay, there is a lone pair of electrons in anti-bonding molecular orbital. So oxygen molecule nature is in paramagnetic nature. Okay, right? This is the complete diagram and energy level order of oxygen molecule. Okay, here we follow 1 to 2 1 rule after nitrogen. Okay, this is the diagram. Okay, 2s and 2p. In this diagram they display only 2s. Okay, but we also mention 1s also there. Okay, this is the energy level order and then energy level diagram of oxygen molecule. That's enough. That is homonuclear diatomic molecules. Homonuclear diatomic molecules. Okay. Next see heteronuclear diatomic molecules. Heteronuclear diatomic molecules. See what is heteronuclear diatomic molecule. The two different elements having similar energy, combine together to form heteronuclear diatomic molecules. The two different elements having similar energy. In heteronuclear diatomic molecules, we take two different elements. These two different elements having similar energy combine together to form heteronuclear diatomic molecule. Here example of heteronuclear diatomic molecules are carbon monoxide, nitrous oxide. Example, carbon monoxide, nitrogen oxide are the example. CO, NO are the heteronuclear diatomic molecule. What is heteronuclear diatomic molecule? The two different elements having similar energy. Combine together to form heteronuclear diatomic molecules. Okay, see the example of heteronuclear diatomic molecule CO. So first we draw the electronic configuration for carbon element and oxygen element. Carbon element electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p2. 1s2, 2s2, 2p2. Next one, oxygen electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p4. Here carbon and oxygen element both have similar energy. Different elements but which have similar energy. So before going to this diagram, carbon monoxide molecule diagram, where energy of the carbon element is greater than to energy of the oxygen element. Energy of the carbon element is greater than to energy of the oxygen element. So we consider our rule after up to nitrogen rule. Up to nitrogen rule, what is our rule? 2-1-2-1 rule. After nitrogen 1-2-2-1, up to nitrogen 2-1-2-1 rule. So in CO molecule we consider 2-1-2-1 rule, that is up to nitrogen rule, because of carbon energy is higher than to oxygen energy. So in this one side we take carbon element, another side we take oxygen element. One side we take carbon element, another side we take oxygen element. So in this carbon element and oxygen element both are having 1s2, 1s2. So 1s2 plus 1s2, 4 electrons. In these 4 electrons, 2 electrons entering into sigma 1s orbital, 2 electrons entering into sigma star 1s orbital. Okay, 1s2 finish. Next 2s2. 2s2, 2s2. In carbon element, oxygen element both are having 2s2, 2s2. So 2s2 plus 2s2, 4 electrons. Okay, so these 4 electrons, 2 electrons entering into sigma 2s orbital, 2 electrons entering into sigma star 2s antibonding molecular orbital. Next we take in carbon element 2p are 2 electrons, in oxygen element 2p are 4 electrons. Total electrons are 6 electrons. Total electrons 6 electrons. So here we consider 2-1-2-1 rule. In first 2 means pi 2px, pi 2py. Okay, next 1 means sigma 2pz. So 2 electrons entering into pi 2px, 2 electrons entering into pi 2py, 2 electrons entering into sigma 2pz. This is the electrons filling in carbon monoxide molecule. Next, bond order. Okay, how to calculate bond order in CO molecule? In bond order formula, Nb minus Na by 2. In CO molecule energy level diagram, the bonding electrons are 10 Anti-bonding electrons are 4. So 10 minus 4 by 2, 6 by 2, that means 3. Bond order is 3. So CO molecule have triple bond. Okay, C triple bond O. Next one, magnetic nature. CO molecule exhibits diamagnetic nature. Why? Because in CO molecule energy level diagram, there is no lone pair of electrons. There is no lone pair of electrons. Okay, that's why this one is the diamagnetic nature. Okay, that is CO molecule energy level diagram. Okay, that's enough, student. These are the energy level diagrams of homonuclear diatomic molecules, heteronuclear diatomic molecules. Homonuclear diatomic molecules, we explained that two same elements combine to form homonuclear diatomic molecules. Two different elements which have similar energy to form heteronuclear diatomic molecules. Homonuclear diatomic molecules, we take two general examples, that is nitrogen molecule and then oxygen molecule. In a heteronuclear diatomic molecule, we take carbon monoxide molecule. Carbon monoxide molecule. So based upon that, carbon monoxide molecule is the best example for heteronuclear diatomic molecule, right? That is energy level diagrams of homonuclear diatomic molecules and heteronuclear diatomic molecule. Thank you, students. Thank you for listening.